1993. We're at Hummerock. We're renting this cottage you're looking at. Behind it is the bay. Scituate is somewhere around here. We're here for the long weekend. Walk through. First we'll enter the bathroom. Here we have the bathroom. We get all our towels. See our towels? See the towels? Now we go on to the kitchen. And this is the kitchen. It's got a coffee maker and a microwave and gas stove. Get plenty of room for everybody to sit. Take a look at the view. Look out that window. Go look over that window. Right out this way. And here you can see the playground, and if you look right out the corner over there, you'll see the Atlantic Ocean. Look out this middle window. You're looking out the screen.
That's it, that's it.
No, but go look out the middle window. You can see a lot better. See
no, I can't see the screen. I can see.
Gee, you can see the boys are making themselves comfortable already.
Ceiling fan.
Oh, spider webs up there.
Let's go in the living room. There's the neighbor's house. This is the view. Color TV. Fireplace.
The chair Bobby's sitting on folds out into a day bed. This couch folds out into a bed.
Peter, I thought he was going to play with us. He's too busy giving orders. Here,
Go down the hallway.
all by myself.
And here's the main master bedroom.
I'm one of these people that can sense when there's danger. There was this little girl climbing up the shoulder. Then I saw a huge part of the store stuck in water.
And here's the second bedroom with the twin beds. And they even have a crib in case you have a baby. Isn't this awesome? Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob. Hi, Bob. Let's go that way because Brian's on the playground. Isn't that a beautiful view? goes down the slide. Just like when he was a child. Hey, Bob, you want to go play? You being lazy? You going to come take a walk with us? We're going to go over to the fence. You can see the ocean on the other side. Come on. Did you get him?
Look at a rabbit, look at a rabbit. Hey! Oh, rabbit.
Hey, rabbit, rabbit.
Rabbit.
Hey, rabbit. Hey, rabbit.
There he goes. Hey, Bobby.
Nice view from here, Dad.
Go on.
No.
A little windy, but it's not cold at all. What's that right there? A duck, Bob, or is that a loon?
Yeah. Look how clear it is, Dad, down that way. Brian's down by the fence. Walk down, you can see where the picnic area is.
What's that boat out there?
Brian. Brian! Brian!
Get Mom, Dad. Get her phone. Fall! What's that big boat? Where are they going?
They're going on the beach.
Can you even see them?
Yeah. Nothing but ocean, ocean, blue ocean.
Mom and Brian are down there.
We are down at the beach, taking a walk. There's Dad. Nothing. You can see the cliff. Around the corner there's a outlook, but I don't think you can go up in it. This is the most beautiful day. It's windy, but it's nice and warm. Couldn't have had a nicer day. Hi. Hi. There's the tower.
What's up, guys? What's up? At the beach. My mother and my father. Pretty nice outside. Getting a beautiful view, you know. Hey, Dad. It's a boat. Duh. I think that's my brother, yeah? That's my brother! Hey! Where's my mom and dad? Mom's taller than dad. Ah! Not anymore. I'm gonna go see him. What's he have? What's he have? I don't know, but I'm gonna go check it out.
Tell me when.
Go ahead.
We're on the bay side of the island, and it's so windy. Look at the kids are having a hard time making it across the beach. Look at that.
Hey, the wind is blowing.
And now for the real walking.
What?
Let's really walk. See? Not that bad. But it is windy here today.
This is sunset at Hummerock.
This is out the front door that faces the bay. And we're losing the sun. Going down behind the mountain.
Morning at 6:19, and we're looking at sunrise. See, there's a boat down there. Sunrise at Hummerock. There's a planet. Almost sunrise. Huh?
6:30.
Yeah, it's almost 6:30.
Oh my God. This is it all right.
No one on the beach today. This early in the morning. Oh, I'm sorry, there is. There's Mr. Seagull. Standing by for sunrise. And there's someone else up waiting for the sunrise. Here's Brian. Can't hardly see him. It's still dark. Got a lot of haze on the horizon. That's why we can't see the sun, but the sun is up already. We're waiting for the sun to show.
Right. Yeah, wait. See?
No one down here at all, except the seagulls. And a big rock.
Oh, I saw them.
It's got a clam or something. What's that seagull got there, Brian?
Oh, well. Okay.
Huh?
Zoom in.
I can't.
Yeah?
As far as I can go.
What's it look like?
Oh, it looks like a clam.
If I go up there, I'll tell you my name.
There's a couple more. There it is.
The sunrise. Ooh. See a bird flying by there?
Sunrise at Hummerock.
The sunrise at Hummerock. Let's come over here and get the rock with it too.
There's Brian. Can't hardly see him. There it is. Brian, it's almost a whole ball. There it is.
Fence was further out.
And they're just going to let it go.
They won't let them do anything about it.
I told my wife that. Why can't the Army Corps come down
Whoa.
here and arrest
Sure.
us?
I mean, look
That's
what
some
these
good
people did.
sunshot.
And
Yeah,
they
what's
stopped
wrong
it.
with that?
But this eventually will affect them. Because it's
Oh,
going to
yeah.
eat away,
Yeah.
and
Yeah, that house will be gone.
Sure. You know, it's such a shame.
This is a nice shot,
And
folks.
every year you come by and
Oh, I just saw a fish jump in the camcorder.
Oh, that's a shame. I was wondering about that now. They won't let them.
like this thing, whatever this was at one time, you never ever saw that before.
Oh, no.
And it just keeps going down. These goody two-shoes is that they're doing something correct.
Oh, that is something. Huh. I don't see how they just would let something like this just
I know. Yeah.
explode, you know? For what? What good is it? Let's preserve it.
Well, so nice and peaceful and so
Oh,
nice
yeah.
for us.
Sure.
You know.
All right, Brian, that's enough.
I have relatives about a month here and we just went down this for like 30 years.
Oh, we're going to come back again. Oh, this is great. I've never had any idea it was like this.
You stationed around
Oh,
here?
dude, I got the sun
West
gleam.
over.
Oh.
Air Reserve Base. I'm a fire department guy. I'm a fire inspector.
And
so-
so,
Oh, yeah.
they got your place popping again now.
Oh, now they do.
Surprise.
Yeah. Yeah. Every time something happens like that, we get busy. Okay, that's good, Ben. Show that.
Yeah, from side
How
11
do you-
you can watch the thing.
Here we are down at the beach. It's 11:30 in the morning. We just came back from a walk all the way down the beach. We went all the way down that way for probably about 2 miles, and then all the way back. We came down here to have lunch. Bob's fishing. There's Bobby and Brian. Hey, Brian! 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 There's Dad. Trying to catch something. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob. This is a great day. It's probably in the high 70s. Hardly any wind today. We have the Coast Guard out over here, I guess.
You want to say something?
No, you say something.
We're standing in Chatham Lighthouse. It's a lot different than what it was before. You see the ocean, bay of land there.
Did you get the lighthouse behind us?
Not yet. Put in a new fence here.
And that beach that you see was never there before.
Here's the lighthouse, Coast Guard Station.
You get the monument
Parking
over
lot
there?
is a lot smaller than what it used to be. This was all wiped out.
The monument.
There's the monument.
Let's go down and look and see if that stone that you and your father were looking at is still there.
Standing here, the face of the monument.
I can't believe how different that is.
She's... And right here is the rock. It says, in memory of William Nickerson, who scanned the ocean for 30 years in interest of shipping, erected by his wife, Fema Nickerson, August 31st, 1929. Isn't that Avery now?
Yeah, it's behind him.
Or maybe it's not.
It is Avery. It's Mike's car.
It doesn't look like his.
It's his car.
That girl can't even get into it.
Help me, I'm locked out. Help me.
Knock, knock.
Oh yeah, I locked the keys in the car. Yeah, thank you. It's Avery, Mike. I see it. This is Avery coming to the new campground.
Ma!
What job?
Avery's right there. He's coming in.
She already went past the gate.
There's Avery and Mike coming in there.
What a bundle of joy.
I don't think they're going to be able to. There's a big van in front of them.
Do they know where we are? I think she's waving. I'm good. We got this. Let's go.
Just tell them to go around the van.
Go around the room.
Mike's gonna take off without him.
There they come. They're coming up the hill.
Here.
I don't know, this thing is getting blurry. Hi! You made it? You make it okay? Yeah. Any problems? No? Hi, Mike.
Hello.
It's cold out there. Yeah. Dad was fishing at 6 o'clock this morning.
Yeah? That's in the brush. Ooh, I think I'm...
Didn't have any problems?
I don't know.
And we're going for a walk on the beach. This is Sunday. This is the 11th of October. This is Monday. It's our last day here. And it's 7:30 in the morning, or just about. The sun is out, but it's cold. It's in the 50s. Bob's gone to get donuts. And we didn't tape our walk yesterday because the battery ran out, so we'll try to do that today. Bob should be coming back any minute. Bob's back. He's opening the gate. Bob! Bob! Dad! Just gotta go back and shut the gate. Can only see his legs. We'll just follow him up. So he turns the corner. That's the rec hall right there. He's driving by. Are you coming up the hill? There he is. And here he is, with breakfast. Huh? 'Cause it's the last day. It's a nice morning. Bye.
Bye.
At the other end.
Warmed up in here?
Yep.
Well, this is our last day on the beach. There's Mom and Dad walking hand in hand. How romantic. Oh, they're kissing. Woo-hoo. There's Mike and Avery walking on the beach on the last day.
Hi, Avery. Flag him, Dad. And push it hard enough. Go. There's Avery and Mike walking down the beach. This is our last day here. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. And here's Bobby. He's picked up a chick on the beach. Okay, don't go. Brian, take it off. Tell him to take it. Oh no, it's Brian. And here's our son Bob.
It's our daughter, Bob.
Hey, Robert.
Hey! Like new hair?
Most excellent, Bob.
I'm reviewing a beer.
Huh?
Well, we're checking out to leave now. Shut up. There's Brian, Michael, and Bobby. The swing set right before we're leaving. As you can tell, Brian let his hair really grow long.
Mike's acting like a little kid.
Michael should learn to bend his knees when he swings. And Bob, who knows about it? He's just really weird. He's very cute though. He's cute. There's Michael. And there's Brian. Oh, he cut his hair. He doesn't look cute with blonde hair. Well, say goodbye to the cave. Bye, guys.
Hello there, fellas. That is my sister swinging on the swing at 10:42 a.m. Seems to be having pretty much fun. Hello, Abe. How you doing? Oh, and that's her little boyfriend that I can crush. Hello, hello, hello. That is my brother. Hello, Brian. They're holding hands. Babe, tell me your mom's coming. That is our cottage. Right there, behind in the background. That's our car, behind Michael. Nice car. That is the sandbox they are playing in. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's the summer sky. That's an old man. Hello, old man.
Hello.
You heard me, shit. I see a dog. MG. No, that's Nissan ZX 300. Garbage man. Now using the payphone. Pretty cute. You can see him. Nissan ZX 300. Garbage man using the phone. It's a good old bay out there. Bay of Fundy. And we're back to the good old playbox again. Boy, boy, boy. Hello, hello, hello. There's my mother and father coming out of the cabin. Just signed out. We're ready to leave at 11:15. It's a flagpole. There's no flag on it. Hello, hello, hello. It's about that time. Getting some muscles. There's that dog. Shitting, having a potty. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello.
Guys ready?
You guys ready?
Yup.
Yeah.
Peace, out of here.